Come along as we section hike the PCT. Well, good morning. We are down here in San Diego about to do a little section hike of the PCT. Got Monica and David behind me. Drove down here last night to San Diego, parked one car here, and we've got another car at Mount Laguna, which is going to be our exit point this time around. So here we go. It'll be a fun weekend for sure. Right across the way, right in there is the Mount Laguna Observatory. You can see the PCT right there, and that Fred Canyon Road is right up there. We're making some good time today, just taking our time out here. Beautiful, lots of stuff blooming, lots of lizards. No snakes yet, but lots of lizards. For lunch out here on the PCT, I've got some tuna. It's just infusions with sun-dried tomato flavoring, fresh avocado, wrapped in a tortilla that one of these two brought. So thank you.
No. And out of that, I get avocado too, so thank you.
David's got his avocado, and they're eating some. What did you have, David?
I had buffalo-style chicken.
Okay.
A wrap out of that.
What'd you have?
I'm having 5 boiled eggs, which I boiled this morning, avocado, and a tortilla wrap.
Awesome. Coming into a long canyon here. We can hear water down below. Nice little meadow up there. This is almost the halfway point of our trip. Beautiful area. Here in Long Canyon, there's a nice campsite right here under some dead trees, and the creek's right over there, so you can get water over there. It's got some nice hanger logs that you can sit on, some big pine cones. Beautiful spot. Very secluded, but we're gonna keep going this way, head up to Morris Meadow for the day. Right there next to Monica is the Long Canyon Creek. Yeah. Nice little refreshing spot. Get some water if you need it. Cool off, but we're going up the trail this way now. So onward we go. We have made it to the Morris Meadow Spring. It's just an old horse trough. You've got some goldfish in there, some fatties. And the water is coming up right there. Just flowing right in. Cool little trough. And here's that meadow down here. If you're trying to find the water trough here at Morris Meadow, you're going to go down this road about 30 yards. I'll be on your right hand side. We're going to go back this way to where we found a nice campsite and stay there for the night. It's going to be a beautiful night. Probably going to see a lot of stars. Hopefully I can get some night photography. Just have an awesome day. It's been great out here. We have made it to our camp for the night. I'm taking this spot here with my Skyscape Trekker. Monica's got a nice spot under the tree for her Lunar Solo. And David right here's got another great spot with what else? A Lunar Solo. We got our nice 6 Moon Designs camp back here. We're gonna have a nice night. We're sort of protected a little bit from the wind with these bushes here. Got a meadow over here. So you have David's Lunar Solo here. Monica's Lunar Solo. She's already boiled up some water for dinner. Let me come over this way. And I've got the Skyscape Trekker set up. Just about to make dinner here. I've got ostentatious tortilla soup. Monica has the Tuscan beef stew and Italian polenta. And David has a Mexican quinoa bowl. Let's use this bad boy out. Soda One Master. This is gonna be it for the night. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Sunday morning. Packing up camp here. It was a good night. Real windy, but not too bad. Everybody stayed pretty warm. And now we're gonna head into Mount Laguna. So it should be a good day. Had a nice meadow over here. Great spot to camp right here. We're at the PCT. So let's get to Mount Laguna. My pack for this weekend is right here. 6 Moon Designs minimalist backpack. Used it on 2 trips so far, actually 3. Just Yosemite was day hiking, but 2 backpacking trips. Niagara Flats, and now here on the PCT. And both times my pack weight was around 25 pounds. And it is really comfortable. The one thing I wish I could do with it is have this top pocket removable. That's the only thing. Otherwise, it holds all the gear I need. I'll be doing a gear review on it pretty soon, but I really like how you got one pocket here a little bit smaller. This one's a little bit higher. I could put my tin in there. I've used it to carry a chair. Right now it's carrying my water bottle. But everything I had this weekend fit in there perfect. Real lightweight backpack. The hip belt pockets are big. It's a great pack. Doing me well. It's a whole nother ecosystem up here as we're getting closer to the town of Mount Laguna. Lots of pine trees and beautiful, nice shaded trail. We're coming into the area that's known as Horse Meadow. Very nice. Have our first good view of the desert out there. Salton Sea's way out there. And then there's the, I want to say Ocotillo's out that way. We'll have some better views up here once we get to the Desert View picnic site. And I should be able to point out some peaks for you too. Alright, in the distance, not this first ridge, the second ridge over is where Villager and Rabbit Peak are. And then way in the distance, you're not going to be able to see on here because I can't even see it, but it shows up on my peak finder. Would be Mastodon Peak in Joshua Tree. Pretty neat views out here. Well, we have made it to our final destination here this weekend. Desert View picnic area. It was a blast. I'd agree.
Good time.
stuff.
Met some cool PCT hikers. Shannon and what was the other guy's name? Nan?
Nan.
Nan. I'll put a little video up of both of them.
My name's Nyan from Nebraska.
And I'm Shannon from Ohio.
And they're going all the way to Canada.
We're gonna try.
Hopefully.
Room for both of you two to make it to Canada. And it's just an awesome time out here. So until the next one, thanks for having me.